every new ordinance that a municipality puts out is a gift to boat and RV operators. The regulation trend is one directional. Third, the REITs haven't arrived in force yet. Self-storage is now dominated by institutional capital at the mid to large facility level, and they're starting to take a peek at the smaller facilities and tertiary markets where my company operates. And that's compressing returns significantly in those sectors. There's still plenty of great opportunities out there. I don't want to dissuade anyone who just finished the Storage 100.